What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, we do have another price update, price prediction on DIA. So the last time I had done an update on this crypto was about a couple of days or a week ago approximately, and I did warn you guys to to expect a slight dip in value before it goes back up in value, and that is exactly what has happened. So what is next for this crypto? That's what I'm going to be going through today. My prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is DIA a good investment? Should you get into it? Should you avoid it? A lot of different questions have been asked in my previous DIA video and also in my DMs. A lot of people asking, should I buy it right now? Should I wait for should I wait for a dip? Should I sell it? So on and so on. So I'm going to give you guys my predictions on those questions and overall for this crypto as well. But before I get into any of that, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So yes, DIA is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it has gained a lot of attention. So the current value is just about $1.01, gaining about 17% in the last 24 hours. We can see a major peak here on earlier on today, going all the way up to $1.19, dropping back down to $1.03, going back up. So it's been quite volatile over the last two to 3 hours, but let's have a look here. We've got the market cap of $61.3 million. The volume in the last 24 hours itself is $52.7 million. And we can see a lot of people are selling it right now. Looks like we have been having a lot of short-term traders when it comes to DIA. A massive 65% sell, meaning a lot of people have been selling the crypto. But we've still got minority of the people, which is 35%, buying into it and stacking it up for the long run. And, they want to see what this crypto can give them. So scrolling up here, we can see the weekly chart. It has gone up just about 4%. We can see some major dips and consistent dips for the past couple of days until yesterday, where it finally started to slowly pick up in value, and over the month it is an overall 17% up. So yes, and the whole market is up today, fortunately, because for the last 4 to 5 days it has been down, and we've seen some major dips on the crypto market over the last couple of days, but finally it is back up today. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see here that the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 208% in the last 24 hours, meaning a lot more people are trading this crypto. But obviously, as we saw on the previous screen, we are seeing more sellers than buyers. However, the whole point is that it's getting a lot more attention. Obviously, it's the second top gainer. More people are researching into it, looking at what the project is all about, and investing or selling the crypto. So before I give you guys my prediction on this crypto, I want to find out what your expectations and your predictions are on DIA. So let's quickly have a look. The highest figure that it's ever been to was $5.77, and this was about May last year when it hit a new all-time high. So can it hit another all-time high this year? And if so, what can it hit? $6, $7, $10? Whatever your predictions are, comment them down below, guys. I want to find out how many of you guys watching this video are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below, and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next DIA update. And one more thing before I get into my prediction: if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, guys, as I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. To make it even better, there's going to be at least 3 winners, guys. So I thought, let me make it a little bit more worth winning, basically, because usually there's just one winner and the chance of you guys winning is a bit low. So obviously 3 winners means you get a higher chance of winning. So that's why I thought 3 winners, but there might be 5. But anyways, there's going to be more detailed revealed on my Instagram closer to the 50,000 target. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it and see what DIA has got planned for 2022. So at the bottom here, we've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the usual candlestick pattern chart showing us how DIA has been performing. And yes, we do have an SMA indicator in between here, the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing DIA at $1, and it is currently trading at $1, which it means it is spot on at the moment. It is trading at the value that it is meant to trade. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we've got a mixed signal here, guys. We've got the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, because yes, it has started to slightly dip in value, and the orange line is looking bullish, going towards the positive direction, meaning we've got ups and downs over the next couple of hours. And guys, if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I've always said this, but whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, it has to come back down. It will dip back down in value, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So yes, I am expecting this crypto to slightly drop in value over the coming hours. Don't get me wrong, there will be peaks in between. You're going to see green candlesticks. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are looking quite bullish here. We've got the blue line and the orange line. Both lines are looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning an increase in value is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, we should expect a much higher value than the $1 mark. However, it may dip below the $1 mark in between those days, but I'm talking about the overall outcome by the end of the week and very, very early next week. So around Monday next week, we should expect it to be above the $1 mark, hopefully heading towards the $1.10 to $1.15 mark as well by early next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? In this case, we again got a mixed signal, shall I say? Well, actually, we don't. They're both going in a bullish direction. Yes, the orange line looks like it is going in a straight line. However, no, it's not. If you look very closely, we can clearly see it is going in a bullish direction. And the whole point of this graph is that it's not looking steep at all. It is just about going in a positive direction, which is exactly what we want to see. And why is that? Because we want it to, increase in value slowly and steadily. We don't want it to do, 80% increase or 60% increase one day and then a 40% drop the next day. That is not really stable. We want it to, slowly increase in value. Yes, we're going to have red days, we're going to have green days, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on DIA. Hopefully we can hit some major numbers over the coming months. But again, there'll be more reviews, or not reviews but price predictions on this crypto. If you guys have any preferences on how often you guys want DIA updates, like once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, or whatever it may be, comment them down below and I'll upload according to what you guys want. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive shout out and a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. A massive shout out to all of you guys, especially all the subscribers out there, the old subscribers and the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. Keep supporting the channel and I keep giving back, and that is the motive. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.